Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your Mac. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which is software that mimics an Android device on your computer. Popular choices like BlueStacks and Moo Player enable you to run mobile games seamlessly. Before downloading, always check that your Mac meets the emulator's system requirements. Choosing the right emulator is key for a great gaming experience. Take a moment to research different options, considering their features and how well they perform on Mac. Once you have made your selection, download the installer from the emulator's official website. Then, simply follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Casein protein, found in milk, provides a slower release of amino acids, which can be beneficial for bone repair overnight. For those preferring plant-based options, pea, soy, or rice protein blends are excellent. Ensure your plant protein sources are complete or combined to provide all essential amino acids. Many plant proteins are fortified with bone-supporting nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, enhancing their benefits. To enhance your PUBG Mobile experience, optimize the emulator's settings. Allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 to 4 CPU cores for smoother gameplay. Customize your keyboard and mouse controls within the emulator for precise aiming and movement. Additionally, close any background applications on your Mac to free up resources, ensuring your game runs as smoothly as possible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.